Hey guys, it's Pokemon 123,000's friend.
And it's moi, the majesty of awesome. And we have we have 5 packs of Topps 2011 Series 2. And we have some cards. We have this
Nice.
Harold Martinez autographed jersey from the USA. Nice autograph. Then we have this epic Bob Feeler patch. Well, technically it's more of it's a patch card of it's Bob Feeler from 2007 Sweet Spot Classic. Nice card. Then we got some cards my dad bought since he's obviously a collector too, because he loves the Reds. So Joe Morgan from the Big Red Machine. This was Dave Concepcion, second favorite player. Tony Perez, third favorite player, I think, and then Barry Larkin.
Rookie card?
Well, technically it's not his rookie, but it's his first year on the Reds. So, let's get to this. Hold on, okay, ready guys? And here we go. First pack that's going to be opened is by Kenny.
Or his friend, to be exact.
Since we're all bros here, and I'm obviously going to let him. I'm going to keep the light on there.
Yeah, if I can open it.
Here.
Okay.
Just
There we go.
Just there.
Okay.
And y'all see the pack? There you go. I got it to my hobby shop. So
Here, I'll show him.
then you
we
got
got-
a here.
Chad. Whoa.
Chad. Hold on.
I'm just going through and
Okay.
looking. Oh, you got one of those small cool cards.
Don't. Okay. Then you got Chad Billingsley, Justin Masterson. It's Kared Perea. I'm sorry if I messed up your name, dude. Scott Baker, Rich Harden, Jeff Samdrizia or whatever.
Sandy Koufax.
Sandy Koufax, nice.
That's
Then, Cal Ripken. That's a nice card. Then you got Joe Blanton and Michael Morse.
And
So-
we've got some good cards in this.
Yeah, there
And
you
now-
go. Cal Ripken, yeah, just Cal Ripken. Nice. And then you got this Sandy Koufax, which is a really nice little mini.
Oh,
You can tell
guys-
compared to...
You guys, and those pulls were just by me. Even though they came from Garrett's cards, they were just pulled by me.
Yep. Okay.
Second pack.
Second pack. Put the light onto it.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Toss the pack into space. Nice pack there. So, and then we have Tommy Hansen. Okay, Tom Hansen. Then Joel's Valentine.
Dude, I'm just looking at it.
No. Okay. Zach Britton rookie. Wow. We just saw something. Oh, wow. Albert Pujols. That is nice, man. Albert Pujols. Ivan Hernandez. And it is a 1-of-1. A 1-of-1 plate card. And it is, it's a printing plate. Jeff Newman, 1-of-1. Jeff Newman. Holy cow, plate card, 1-of-1. That is some epic junk. Carlton Fisk. Wow. Ooh, Ed Matthews. Dang, this is probably the best pack in the universe. Travis Snyder. Baby. And David Freese. Holy moly. Did you all just see that? 1-of-1. That is totally, this is so going on there. Here.
I'm surprised.
And hold on, meet Lucy. Lucy's the
My
cutest,
puppy.
the cutest doggy in the world. Here, guys, get Lucy out. Guys, get Lucy out here.
Let me get
Here,
Lucy.
pause the video. Pause the video.
And those pulls were just by me, and me.
That's my turn.
We're back on now, and Garrett.
And it's my turn for my 3 packs, baby.
Bum,
Let's do this. That was totally my money's worth.
Yeah.
Patrick, scoot back.
This is nice. Okay, I was just checking it. Okay, then first is
Here, I'll hold him.
John, whatever.
It looks like, let's see, Johnny.
Johnny Pertullo or whatever.
Ready?
And then you got a Dan Ugla, Barry Enright, Tom Wilsman. Ooh, rookie too. It's nice. Then Jason Nix. Ooh, a gold border of Jared Saltomechicho. The longest last name in the world.
Gosh.
Arabito Almore, 60.
Oh, yeah.
Nice card. AJ Burnett, Colby Lewis, and Francesco Rodriguez. Okay, that printing plate was probably one of the best pulls of my life.
And they came all by me, okay?
Yeah. Dang it, you stink, Kenny.
hey, that shouldn't be said all over the place.
Yeah, people should definitely watch this one. This is best pull. This is awesome.
Dude.
So we got, we got a platinum
Dude.
card. Leo Nuez, Jason Donald, McDonald's guy, Brandon Phillips, nice.
Okay.
Ooh, Brandon Kinsler, rookie. We got the Tornado Blue Jays. Okay, whatever. We got, Ben Franlisco.
Oh, that's a nice
Platinum
card.
card, yeah.
Woo!
Then you got David Wright.
Platinum card.
No, I don't think that's the platinum. And then we got a Wade
Davis.
Davis, yeah. Felix Hernandez, nice. And then Ryan Troito, whatever.
Wow, those were some very good pulls.
Not as good as your printing plate number
Yeah.
1 of 1.
Want me to put it on this pile right here?
Yeah, no, okay, yeah. No.
Wait, which
Put it
pile?
right there. Right, no.
Oh, you guys
Put
Just
it
right
there.
here.
Yeah, just keep it there. Just whatever.
We're getting confused.
Okay, then you got a here, leave it alone. You got a Kendri's, whatever, I don't know.
All right, hang on.
Mitch,
Scoot out a little bit.
Mitch Talbloit, whatever. You got Brian Roberts, Ivan DeJuz or whatever. He's rookie, nice. Pittsburgh Pirates already have it.
Go.
Florida Maryland's not in platinum version, but I have it in platinum version. Zach Ginrich. Ooh, Gary Carter for that. Oh wait, that goes right there. Gary Carter. Whatever.
Doug Fister.
George Postia, and then one of these thingies.
What?
So let me hear. I'm gonna pause the video and get everything. Okay,
And we're
guys,
back.
and we're back, and we're gonna show our top cards. We got Sandy Koufax. Sorry for their noise. Sandy Koufax, mini.
Nope.
We got a Carlton Fisk,
Mini.
mini. Can you see that?
Yeah, I got both of them right now. Yeah,
Mini.
that's pretty good though.
Then Albert Pujols. Nice. Everybody likes Albert Pujols. Can't go wrong with Albert. Then you got Ben Francisco.
And
He's
a
awesome.
and a diamond platinum.
Yeah,
Wow.
platinum.
But top's a diamond. That's pretty good.
Nice, yeah. And you got David Wright. I think that's
Yeah,
I don't-
it is a diamond. It's got diamond stars.
It's like a diamond. I don't know what they call
Diamond
them, but whatever.
stars.
Yeah, we'll just call it diamond stars. Yeah. Then
It's
Eddie
head on top.
Matthews. Eddie Matthews, printed auto. It's not real. From his, I think it's his rookie. No, I don't think that's his rookie. No, but it's really nice.
That's pretty good.
And guess who pulled that? That butthead over there.
No, you pull. Oh yeah, never mind.
Yeah, Robito
I already
Almore.
pulled
I
that
pulled
one.
that.
Oh,
I
yeah.
pulled this one.
Yeah.
Bruto Amon or whatever. That guy. That's pretty nice. Ooh, and then Jared, the longest name in the universe. Verse is what we're gonna call him. Voice verse. Make sure he gets his top and everything.
Yep.
Nice gold border too. So yeah, if you had a contest. Oh wait, these are numbered. Hold on. This one's numbered. Is any other ones numbered?
Yeah,
No, these are numbered. Hey,
yeah,
this-
they are in the top.
no, but those aren't the actual numbers. Well, okay, guys. I just saw this right here, this golden one. It is numbered 100. No, it says 100-2011.
Those aren't.
I think this is numbered.
Can I hold this one to
This
show
one's,
it on?
no, hold on.
These are the best.
This one is numbered. It says 100/2011. I don't know why it says that, huh? I don't know why it says that right there, but I guess it's numbered.
That's creepy.
Then none of these are obviously numbered. There you got Gary Carter.
Dude, can I hold the platinum card to show?
That's
that
it.
one good card.
Yeah.
that
Then there's that, and then Cal
Unless you
Ripken.
knock on the door.
Pretty nice,
Let me
guys.
pause real quick.
Okay, now we're gonna pause the vid. Dun 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 dun. The 1 of 1 printing plate of who's this? Jeff Newman or I think. Yeah.
Nyman.
Here, push that middle button.
What about this one?
Nice. So that's the end of it, guys. A 1 of 1 plus some autos and jerseys. Okay.
See ya,
See ya.
folks.
See ya in the bleachers, just like the Pack Ripper says. Ha.